Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen out of paper. Start by folding a single sheet into thin, even strips to mimic noodles. Keep folds tight and consistent for uniform cooking simulation. Use a ruler and sharp scissors for clean edges. Lightly dampen the strips to soften fibers before shaping. Work on a protected surface and take breaks to avoid paper tearing from overhandling. To shape paper noodles, moisten strips slightly to gain flexibility while avoiding saturation that weakens fibers. Wrap groups around a thin dowel to form consistent noodle bundles and let them dry partially. For curlier noodles, twist strips gently before fastening. Use craft glue sparingly to lock shapes and avoid visible residue. Test one bundle first to refine technique and speed up the remaining assembly. Simulate broth by tinting clear gel or resin slightly with food-safe dye for a warm hue and glossy surface. Craft tiny paper or polymer garnishes like eggs, scallions, and seaweed to enhance realism and scale. Place shaped noodle bundles in a shallow decorative bowl and pour the simulated broth carefully to avoid disturbing the arrangement. Finish with a light matte or gloss spray depending on desired sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.